Hello guys, this is my tool bag. It is called the Veto Tech Pac MC, and I'm gonna walk you through what I have in my bag. Alright, you can get this in Amazon. Costs over maybe a little bit over $200, but it's worth it. Okay, as a mechanic, I find that these tool bags can carry all the tools that I need to get the jobs done. All right, so first off, let me show you some stuff here. We've had the front. I actually carry three folding pocket knife. I got my one knife on this side, folding knife. The other one, I really like this one. All right, and then you have the top pouch, which I carry this, and just in case. You got your lock thread. I also carry one of these digital angle gauge, and I also carry my my headphone wires, but this time I took it out. I didn't put it in, but usually I carry that in here. So you can put like a bunch of stuff in this pouch here already. All right, okay, and now go down to this little pouch right here. Some screw, some joint, these are the minor stuff that like you find that you might need, or some stuff that is miscellaneous that you think in the future, if you work on it, that you might need. You carry it. If you don't need it, just toss it out. If you need it, put it in there. All right, now let's go to the front. Oh, to the side. Let me go to the side. I always carry my stubby half-inch impact wrench. This is the Milwaukee, the M12 version. All right, and I got my center punch. Always gotta need this. And then got my O-ring with the demagnetizer and magnetizing. Need your Sharpie. Need a pencil. Now let's go to the other side. On the other side, I carry my lock, your pen. You gotta need your pen here. All right, and then my precision tools, screwdriver. All right, so basically this bag, you can carry it like this, or you can carry it on your back like this, and it is about, I would say, almost 30 pounds. That's what I would say. That's how heavy it is. 25 to 30, I believe. All right, and so they actually had this little hook on it, so it don't destroy your zipper. So this hook, you actually need this hook to carry all the weight on the middle to your back. See that? So you don't destroy this or your zipper line. Because if you don't have this, when you carry, see, you put all those weight here. All right, so first of all, let's go to the front zipper. All right, now let's see what I carry. That's what I carry for work. You can take this line out. This line is like that, so that you have a working bench or something to put your tools on. And they actually have like a magnet here, which you can toss some of your screw or your bits that you don't want to lose. Just toss it there. Okay, so let me go one by one. I also carry this one, Milwaukee M12 stubby brushless. So I carry 2 impact, this and that. Now I carry my voltmeter with me. I use it a lot. Okay, as a mechanic, I also had to troubleshoot and also work with live wires and stuff. Carry that, a Craftsman voltage detector. My Craftsman hex wrench and a leveler. All right, with magnets. Okay, so I actually, on this bag, you actually have all of these space, so you can put your stuff in there. See my adapter, you can drop it in there. A lot of space for you to put your tools in there. This bag, I find it very useful, very good. It worth the money. Okay. This is a Harbor Freight ratchet wrench. There you go. See, carry it with me all the time. This one also, the adapter. I find it a long screwdriver like that, very helpful. Okay, my insulated screwdriver. See, use this a lot also, and this also, use it a lot. You can switch it to that side. You have all of these function, so you can swap it around. Sometime you go up in the roof to fix on AC and stuff. You can only you want the job to be very fast, just carry one of these, go up there, screw it, check very quick. It's only for quick job, all right, not for troubleshooting stuff, or else you have to carry the tool that you need, or else carry the bag up there. Okay, got that. Also got that. Got myself one of these. Use it a lot. Broke it too. Maybe get me a new one. And then my third knife. I like the design on this, but it's not one of the best. Why? Because if I put it in my pocket, it sometimes self-deployed, and while it's still in the pocket, so it's kind of dangerous. I find this to be very useful, the stubby. You can take that off, switch your drive. That's a switch your bit. See, very useful. Okay. Drive, your flat, your Philip, your flat, and this. Find this to be very, very, very useful. I tell you, I have the so this actually go with this. See, swap it very quick. See, so I find this to be very useful. You always had to have one of these for a very, very tight space that you had to crawl in. One of these. Carry that for in case special use. And this. All right. Sometimes you might need it to grab one of those bolt or screw that you drop. Okay. See? Like that. You need one of these. I would prefer a bigger magnet on top, but this thing will do. All right. Hold up. Let's put these back in. These are the two I carry on front, and I will show you the two I carry on the back. Okay. Oh, forgot also. They have a pocket here. You can put your stuff in. All right. And got that in case I might use it. These are my socket, my bits. And also carry some of the connector. Wire connector. Also, this is very useful. These are the things that I carry with me to get the job done. Like I said, you can carry so much until the bag get very heavy. So I suggest you carry the thing that you really need. All right. So let's go to the back. So, okay. So the back, you will have the hook on like that. So to take off the back, you have to unhook it, open the back section, the zipper. There you go. Okay, so start down here first before I forget. Got my alligator clamp. electrical. Gotta get it come up. Got that thermal tester. My got those, and I also do some welding, so I also carry some of those magnet block. Zip tie, you gotta need those. These wires are for charging your batteries, maybe for lights. Supposedly I carry light in my bag here too, but I took it off. Pipe cutter, more blocks. Socket. Like I said, I carry battery pack with me. The reason why is because I carry these. See? This thing, I use it to charge this one. Also that one. I find it very useful. These two are very useful. Also, I also use the battery pack to charge my phone and some other stuff. And my ratchet. (11-1). Lost some of the bit. Need to get a new one. Adapter. There you go. These are for my bits. These pocket on the top are for your bits. That side also. And I also carry my wrenches. Open in box wrench, ratchet wrench. Okay. Adjustable wrench. I also carry this is so that I can drill through brick walls. Find this to be very, very useful. More wires, charging wires, and I believe that is it. So, all right, what I carry, I shown you all. As a mechanic, this is what I use to carry. Oh, forgot about this. Electrical tape. All right. I also have a measuring tape, but it broke off, so I decided to take it off. I got one at work, so it's all right. Thank you.